Okay, there's another one in here that we are going to use a lot is a button. So when you select this, you just do the similar steps like that, but right after you make the button, it asks what macro we are going to use, which we are going to cover in the later part of this course, right? So let me just not putting any macro at there, just click OK. So you see we make a button, but it doesn't do anything. Okay? So button has only one feature, is that you could link to a macro by this button. So whenever you click this button later, this X will do any code in that macro. Okay, then instead of that, actually if you go to insert, and in this illustrations, one of them is shapes, and you have many choices in there, and actually you can choose anything. So let me just choose this one, and just dragging it any place, it makes a box, a frame, or anything you choose in there. Okay? Then when you right click on it, you have many choices, and one of them is assign macro, but it could do also same other things too, and one of them is it's a hyperlink. So when you click this, it opens this kind of window. Then you could actually make a link to existing file in your computer or any web pages. So just click that and type the address. Okay? So for example, if you select this one, then you might choose your file in there, or you can type in some kind of any web page URL. Okay? So let me just saying this much, right? Then click OK. Then after that, whenever you click this, it opens that web page using your default web browser. Okay, okay, then if it's not, then you can edit the hyperlink or remove the hyperlink from there. Let me just edit it. So instead of existing file or web page, you can actually open any documents, any worksheet in this workbook. So for example, there are many different kind of choices here, right? Okay, so and these are all the list of worksheets in these documents, right? So you can choose strings, and even you can choose in what cell you want to show. So instead of A1, that's usual one, let me change that on to, how about AA1. Okay, so click OK, and let's see what happens when you click it. Look at here, right now you're in control 1, but when you click it, it goes to drinks and it shows AA1 cell, right? So the window should move that much, right? Whatever your choice is. So it's very nice to have it. So to me, instead of button, this kind of frame or any shape is much better, because you can assign many different stuffs in there. Okay? And you even also you can let it create new documents, or try to send the email to certain address. So it depends how you put it in there. Okay? But most likely we are going to use this many, right? Okay, so that's how we make this one, and in our lecture note it suggests something else, but please do it by yourself.